What up, lovies? It's your girl Nisha coming to y'all with a new video, and today it's different. I'm doing an unboxing video. I know y'all like, this ain't no different. You've done unboxing videos before. I know, but I haven't done a purse unboxing in quite some time. It's been some years, and I was looking for me a bucket bag. I do not own a bucket bag. I haven't owned a bucket bag in many years, like since my early 20s. And I was like, I love crossbodies. That's all I have. Right? I have crossbodies and I have wristlets. Like, that's my jam. Crossbodies and wristlets, I have plenty of those. But I went to like get like a bigger purse, and I was like, dang, I don't have a bigger purse. So I ordered me one. And I wanted to, y'all hit them boxes, unbox it with you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to, here we go. I got a box in my lap. I'm trying to make sure I don't show my address. Okay, so we don't want that. And I'm opening from the side because I don't know how this is packaged. But I got this bag from Coach. I wanted a bag, a bucket bag. I saw this bucket bag, right? And it went by Coach, y'all. It was not by Coach. I will pop the picture up right here, so y'all can see the bag that I wanted. I wanted it, but I didn't want my bank account to suffer, okay? Like, I did it, so I opted for a rather affordable bag, okay? One day I'll get that bag. It can be played out as it want to, and I'll get it because that's the bag that I want. But, yeah. All this stuff. There's a lot of box for this bag, but I see what y'all did, Coach. I see what you did. So, this is it, and it's the small town bucket bag, and I got it in black. And she's so cute. She is so cute. So I'm gonna take all of this stuff off. They had her stuffed, honey. She was stuffed to the brim. Okay, I'm gonna take all this stuff off and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so for the most part, I got her pretty much, you know, unstuffed. There's still a little bit of stuff on the inside, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, it is a really cute small bucket bag. It's called a small town bucket bag. They do have the town bucket bag that's bigger than this one, but I didn't want a bag that was too big. I wanted one that can, you know, hold just a little bit more stuff than my wristlets do. So yeah, I opted for this one. It's super cute, super sleek. I love a good top handle bag. It does come with a strap. The strap is very long. I saw it on a model and I saw a couple of other videos. The strap is pretty long. I don't know if I'll be using the strap per se, even though I'm a crossbody girl. It's just like this bag with this top handle, I don't know how I would like it crossbody, okay? But yeah, this is it, and I got it from Coach Outlet. Whew, child. It said the price on this bag is $350. It says comparable to $350, but I paid one. Do they have the thing in here? Yes, I paid $159 plus tax. I think it was like $170 or something like that. So yeah, this is her. This is she. She is super duper cute, and I got it from Coach Outlet. I like it a lot. It's not very roomy, which is okay. When I tell y'all I didn't want no huge old bag, but I kind of want to show you guys inside. It's just like a middle part here that's basically gonna be for my phone, one part here and one part here. I haven't taken the little thing out the bottom. I'm not gonna take that out until I actually wear my purse. But yeah, it's really, really cute. And it's pretty much just what I wanted. So I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. And the gold hardware is what sold me. Like, I love gold. I love it. It's really, really cute. And I cannot wait to rock it. So thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I can't wait to do this again. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my little slim wallet by Coach, of course, right on in here. Okay, you're gonna go and throw that in there because that's cute, girl. That's real cute, girl. That's real cute. Okay, so right quick, I wanted to show you guys how it look with the strap. As y'all can see, it's a long strap, and I still have two more notches. Two more notches I can go down to make it a little bit longer. So step back for y'all. And this is my waist here. This is like side fupa here. This is my hip, okay? And she basically is sitting directly on my hip. I am 5'3", so that's where she's falling on me. It's not bad. Like, it's not bad at all. I just feel like if this is the look you're going for, cool, that's you. But I also feel like, just like I can detach this strap, Coach should have made it where I can detach this handle as well. Like, I know it's gonna be different. It's not gonna give you the same look, and the handle will probably be all over the place. But if you looking at this right now and it's on me like this, the handle is bumping my titty. And if I move it, I'm moving it this way. If I move it, I'm moving it that way. So, you know, I just kind of feel like detaching this, being able to detach the top handle should have been an option, as well as taking off the strap. That's all I'm saying. Like, it's not a bad look, but I kind of feel like it's doing a lot when it don't even have to be doing a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't even have to be giving all of this. But I'm excited about my bag because you know why? Because for me in my house, we top handles. Okay? That's what we do. We top handles around these bars. Yes, that's what we do. So yeah, again, the bag is super cute. I like it. It's small. It's not too big. It's not very heavy. It has a little weight to it because you know it's leather, but it's not heavy. It's not gonna weigh your shoulders down. It's not gonna break your wrist or nothing. It's like really, really cute, nice size, and I like it. So if I was to size up, I would get the Town bucket bag, but that's a really big bag. I saw some reviews on that one, and that's why I opted for this one. But I don't even carry enough stuff around to get the Town. So small Town was my jam, okay? And yeah, just like I said, you guys, it's really, really cute. Really, really functional. You know what I didn't do? I didn't open up the zipper part. I just... Okay, the zipper part, I want to say it's not that deep. Like, it's deep, but it's not that deep. Okay. It has that fresh leather smell to it. I was checking to make sure it didn't have no slots or nothing in it. But yeah, you guys, I like it a lot. So what you waiting for? Go get you one. And I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, lovies.